Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about Google Maps and we click here. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.